is also called the shielding effect. Screening effect. So let's see what is the screening effect and what is the shielding effect. This is a very important topic. Define the screening effect. Define the shielding effect. We also say the shielding effect. So what is the shielding effect? What is the screening effect? Let's see. This is the nucleus. Okay. There are inner electrons and this is the outer cell. Suppose there is electron. An inner cell is filled by the electrons. There are many electrons. Inner cell is filled by the electrons. What happened in this condition? Electron covered the attraction of the nucleus, shielded the nucleus. These electrons shielded the nucleus. What happened in this condition? The attraction of the outermost electron is decreased. So what is the screening effect? The attraction felt by the outermost electron is decreased by the inner electron is called the screening effect. Now again I repeat. When we increase the number of electrons in inner cell, this condition we consider in D block in 12th class. In 12th class in D block we consider the screening effect. This is the major effect on D block element. When number of electron is increased in inner cell. Okay. It shielded the charge of the nucleus. Nucleus is positive, electrons are negative. They shielded the nucleus. Around the nucleus, electrons are present, they shielded. And the outermost cell, electron felt less attraction by the nucleus. If it felt less attraction by the nucleus, we can easily remove. So it means ionization enthalpy is very low. So what happened? When screening effect is increased, the ionization enthalpy is decreased. Ionization enthalpy is inversely proportional to screening effect. Again, I repeat this topic. The outer electron attracted towards the nucleus but are pushed away by the repulsion of the inner electron. The outer electron feel a diminished nuclear charge. Nuclear attraction because inner electrons shield them from the full charge of the nucleus. Clear? When these electrons are negative, this electron is also negative, there is repulsion, and these electrons also shielded the nucleus attraction, and outer electron felt less attraction towards the nucleus is called the screening effect. And when screening effect increase, it means we can easily remove the electron. If we easily remove the electron, it means ionization enthalpy is low. There is requirement of energy to remove the electron is low, so ionization enthalpy is low. Ionization enthalpy is inversely proportional to screening effect. Screening effect, what is the screening effect? The outermost electron felt the nuclear charge, felt the nucleus attraction by the presence of inner electron is called the screening effect. So screening effect is, there is formula Z effective and minus S screening effect, sigma. Okay. Now, as the screening effect increases, the ionization enthalpy decreases. Next point, fourth point, is penetration power. penetration power. Also very important point. Penetration effect. Next, which point? Fourth point. Penetration power. पेनिट्रेशन का मतलब आर पार होना। जैसे तीर चलाया जाता है, तीर क्या करता है, किसी चीज को पेनिट्रेट करता है, तो उस चीज को हम कहते हैं पेनिट्रेशन। भेदना, किसी चीज को अंदर तक चले जाना, ठीक है, पेनिट्रेशन पावर। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द पेनिट्रेशन पावर। लाइक दिस, जैसे सपोज like this is the penetration, okay, penetration power. Now, so what is the penetration power? When penetration power is increased, ionization enthalpy is increased. So penetration power, how to increase? Those level is close to nucleus have highest penetration power. There is very difficult to remove the electron. It is easily removed. As energy cell is increased, the removal of electron become easiest. This electron is removed easily, but this electron is not easily removed. Clear? तो penetration power, ionization enthalpy increases as the penetration effect of the electron increases. In multi-electron atoms, the electron in the s orbital have the maximum penetration power. The order of the penetration power is S, P, D and F. In multi-electron system, the penetration power is s orbital is greater than P is greater than D is greater than F. S, P, D, F. Increasing order, the energy is decreased. So, S, P, D, F. Which orbital closest to the nucleus? Its penetration power is higher. So, when penetration power is increased, ionization enthalpy is increased. And last point is electronic configuration, the electronic arrangement. I already told you how to learn the electronic arrangement, electronic configuration by using the rule of N+L, Hund's rule, Pauli exclusion principle and practice. Electronic configuration. Next point, fifth point, the factor is electronic configuration. Yes. Electronic configuration, how the electronic configuration depend the ionization energy. So, there is half-filled orbital. Which family have half-filled orbital? Nitrogen family. In any element of the nitrogen family, we can take for the example 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 for nitrogen. And full-filled orbital, second period. Second group. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, alkaline earth metal. There is s orbital is fulfilled and zero group. Inert gases is fulfilled orbital. These are fulfilled. So what is the conclusion of this point? You already learned the half-filled orbital and full-filled orbital is very stable. How to remove from electron from half-filled orbital and full-filled orbital? There is requirement of energy is more. So it is difficult to remove the electron from an half-filled orbital and full-filled orbital. The ionization enthalpy is increased. This is the exception. We will consider in GROW exception one by one. In general, you have to learn for half-filled orbital and full-filled orbital, the ionization enthalpy is increased. There is very difficult to remove the electron due to higher nuclear charge, higher Z effective, higher stability. So, electronic configuration is also affected the ionization enthalpy. Now it's clear what is the ionization enthalpy, what are the factors which affected the ionization enthalpy. There are factors are first size of the atom, second factor is charge on the nucleus, nuclear charge, third is screening effect, fourth is penetration power, and fifth is electronic arrangement. Clear now all of you? Next is variation in periodic table. Next topic, variation of the ionization enthalpy in periodic table. Here we consider the exception also. First, in period. Now we are talking about the period from left to right. Left to right. What happened to nuclear charge? We already discussed. From left to right, general trend, Z effective is increased, proton number is increased, so ionization enthalpy is increased, atomic radii is decreased. Clear all of you? Z effective increase there is, but nitrogen, ionization enthalpy of nitrogen is greater than oxygen. What is the trend? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, then neon. In left to right, increase. There is also exception. Here increase, increase, exception, then again increase and increase. Let's see. Ionization enthalpy of beryllium is greater than boron. There is exception. This question is arises. Ionization, we were talking about the first ionization enthalpy after the removal of electron. Nitrogen is greater than oxygen. Now, neon, inert gases have the highest ionization enthalpy. So, what happened? Now, what is the explanation? In beryllium and boron, the ionization enthalpy of beryllium is greater than boron. Why? Write down the first, you have to write down the electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration of beryllium and boron? Let's see. 1s2 and 2s2. Next for boron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. There are two factors. First, s orbital is fulfilled, so ionization enthalpy is high because there is difficult to removal of the electron. Next is penetration power. Penetration power is s orbital is greater than p orbital. Penetration power is s orbital is greater than p orbital. So, ionization enthalpy of beryllium is greater than boron. Now, next exception is ionization enthalpy of nitrogen is greater than oxygen. How to explain? Again, write down the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, then 2p3. For oxygen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p. 4. Clear? The removal of nitrogen electron from nitrogen atom is difficult than oxygen because this is half-filled orbital. Half-filled orbital. What is your answer? Due to half-filled orbital, there is extra stability and removal of electron from nitrogen is difficult than oxygen. Clear? If we talk about the second ionization enthalpy, in second ionization enthalpy, the oxygen have high ionization enthalpy than nitrogen because in second ionization enthalpy, what happened? It become 2p2, it become 2p3. So which have half-filled orbital? Now oxygen. So you have to remove the electron and let's check by the electronic configuration. Second ionization enthalpy of oxygen is greater than nitrogen, but first ionization enthalpy is nitrogen greater than oxygen. Now about the inert gases, helium, neon, argon, any inert gases, they have fulfilled orbital. So their ionization enthalpy is very high among the period. In period, all helium, neon, argon, inert gases have the highest ionization enthalpy. So in period, which have the lowest ionization enthalpy? In period, which have the lowest? Noble gases has the highest ionization enthalpy and alkali metals have the lowest ionization enthalpy. Clear? Now, what happened on the group? In group, variation in group. Second point. Now, variation of the electron ionization enthalpy in group. In general, from top to bottom, shell is increased, ionization enthalpy is decreased. Variation in group. Atomic radii increase in group, ionization enthalpy decrease in group due to effective nuclear charge is decrease in group. This is the general trend. So in group, top to bottom, ionization enthalpy is decreased due to increase in atomic size and due to increase in also screening effect. Here is also screening effect. Screening effect is also increased. So ionization enthalpy decrease, Z effective decrease, screening effect decrease, atomic radii is increased. There is also increase in Z effective in proton number, but it can't compensate by the Z effective and screening effect. So valence electron become less and less firmly held by the nucleus and hence the ionization energy is decreased. Clear all of you? So what happened on group? In group, ionization enthalpy is decreased due to increase in atomic size and increase in the energy cell, increase in the shielding effect. This is due to combined effect of the increase in the atomic size and the shielding effect is more than compensate the effect of the increase in the nuclear charge. Compared to this, it decreased. The valence electron become less and less firmly held by the nucleus and easily removed. This is the reason. Now clear all of you? It's enough for today class. Have a nice day. Thank you.